Hi everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about an ultra luxury residential project in Hyderabad's rapidly developing Rajendra Nagar location. The project is called Godrej Regal Pavilion by the Godrej Properties. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. So Godrej Regal Pavilion is a premium neoclassical luxury township being developed in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, which is spread across approximately 12.5 acres. And this grand residential development is designed to offer a perfect mix of luxury, connectivity, and modern lifestyle living. Talking about the project highlights, so this project comes with 9 premium high-rise towers with a 33-floor luxury development and approximately 2,000 luxury residences, and project offers massive 75,000 square feet clubhouse with a ground plus 6th floor and also offers spacious 3, 3.5 and 4 and 4.5 BHK residences with the modern neoclassical architecture. And this project is a low density premium lifestyle planning which comes with a premium construction quality by Godrej Properties. And this project is ideal for buyers looking for spacious, future-ready luxury home in one of the Hyderabad's fastest growing residential corridor. Talking about the location and connectivity, so Godrej Regal Pavilion is strategically located in Rajendra Nagar, which is quickly becoming one of the Hyderabad's key luxury residential zone because of its strong airport and city connectivity. The Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is just approximately 10 minutes away, PVNR Expressway is just 5 minutes away, Outer Ring Road Exit 16 is 5 minutes away, and Financial District is approximately 30 minutes away. Upcoming metro connectivity is approx 15 minutes away, and Novotel Hotel is just approximately 20 minutes away. The location offers a really good combination of luxury, lifestyle, airport access, and long-term appreciation potential. And now talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so Godrej Regal Pavilion is designed to offer a palace-inspired, ultra-luxury lifestyle experience with a thoughtfully curated world-class amenities. The project offers 75,000 square feet palace-themed clubhouse, infinity-style swimming pool, rooftop lifestyle amenities, premium gym, yoga and wellness zone. The overall focus here is on comfort, greenery, wellness, and premium community living. Now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So the project offers multiple spacious luxury configurations. The 3 BHK premium with a carpet area starting from approximately 1,680 to 1,783 square feet, price starting from 1.50 crore rupees onwards. 3 BHK Lux with a carpet area starting from approximately 1,873, price starting from 1.99 crore rupees onwards. 3.5 BHK luxury with a carpet area starting from approximately 2,673 square feet, price starting from 2.25 crore rupees onwards. And the 4 BHK premium with a carpet area starting from approximately 2,883 to 2,904 square feet, starting price is 2.50 crore rupees onwards. Lastly, 4 BHK Lux with a carpet area starting from approximately 3,445 square feet to 3,571 square feet, price starting from 3.05 crore rupees onwards. The layouts are thoughtfully designed with a spacious living area, wide balconies, and premium specification. And now let's talk about the booking process. So pre-launch and early phase inventory is currently available. Buyers also get the advantage of premium unit selection during the early stages. Detailed pricing, payment plans, or inventory details are available on request. In a fast-growing micro-market like Rajendra Nagar, projects at this level of luxury inventory are quite limited, and the future appreciation potential also looks strong. For brochure, pricing details, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. Our NRI clients from the US, UK, UAE, Europe, and Singapore can also connect with us through the same link for virtual presentation. And if you enjoy such premium luxury property videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with a developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.